Hello guys, welcome to my channel Multiverse Python, and today we are gonna do a Codechef problem, gift shop and coupon. Okay, so without wasting any more time, let's dig into this problem. So the problem says chef wants to impress Chefina by giving her the maximum number of gifts possible. Chef is in a gift shop having n items where the cost of the ith item is equal to ai. Chef has K amount of money and a 50% discount coupon that he can use for at most one of the items he buys. 50% off coupon. Okay, if the cost of an item is equal to X, then after applying the coupon on that item, chef only has to pay X by 2 amount for that item. Now what is this symbol? This is basically the symbol for the smallest integer function. Now what do you mean by smallest integer function? This is the graph of the same. Whenever my number is between -1 to 0, the answer should be equal to 0. Whenever my number is between 0 to 1, my answer should be equal to 1. Whenever my number is between 1 to 2, my answer should be equal to 2, and so on. Okay, so this is the smallest integer function. Help chef find the maximum number of items he can buy with K amount of money and a 50% discount coupon, given that he can use the coupon on at most one item. Now this is the input format. The first line of the input contains a single integer t denoting the number of test cases. The first line of each test case contains two space separated n and k. The next line contains n space separated integers where the ith integer denotes the cost of the ith item. This is the output format. For each test case, print a single line containing one integer, the maximum number of items chef can buy. Okay, these are the constraints. This is the sample input output. So before moving into solving this problem, I want to discuss some basic concepts that we are gonna use in this problem. Okay, first of all, I'm gonna use the map function for taking the inputs. Okay, so what is this map function basically? See, I'm defining a variable a which is equal to input dot split. I'm taking this type of inputs. Here the value of a is this and the element is of type string. Now I need to convert this string type into the integer type. Now what should I do? A is equal to map int comma input dot split. Okay, I'm taking the same input. See, my output is same as I want. This is the use of map function. Moreover, I am also gonna use the sum function. Now what is this sum function? Suppose my list is 1, 2, 3. Okay, and I want to sum all the elements that are present in this list. Sum lst. Use this function and your problem is sorted. Okay, first I will take the input for the number of test cases, that is id input. Then I will take the input for n and k map c. I'm using the map function dot split. lst is equal to list map int comma input dot split. Okay, so I have taken the input for n, k and lst, that is my list. Now whenever the sum of this list is less than equal to k, then my answer should be equal to it. Now what do you mean by this? Whenever the sum of all the elements that are present in this list is less than k, then my answer is equal to the length of this list, which is also equal to the value of n. Now what if the value of the sum of all the elements of this list is greater than k, then let's take an example from this sample input. I am taking the third example. The value of n and k is 3 and 10. My list is 6, 7, 4. Now you can see the sum of all the elements in this list is greater than k. First of all, I will sort this list and I will define a variable answer. Now why I'm sorting this list? See, 4, 6, 7. Chef wants to buy the maximum number of items. Therefore, first he has to buy the items which has the lowest price. Here you can see in this list the lowest price is 4. Therefore, chef will buy this item first, then this item. Now I will run a loop for I in range n. If answer plus lsti is less than k, first let me write the whole code, then I will tell you the control flow of this program. Answer plus lsti, elif answer plus lsti is equal to k, break if then in else condition, if answer plus math.ceil lsti divided by 2 less than equal to k, pass. First let me also import this math, else I minus equal to 1, break print I plus 1. Okay, now I will tell you the control flow of this program. First it will sort this list, then it will define a variable that is answer is equal to 0, then it will run a loop, then it will come to this if part. Here the value of answer is 0 and the value of I is 0. The value of answer plus lst 0 is equal to 4. Therefore it will come in this part, which is answer is equal to answer plus lsti, which means the value of my answer variable becomes 4. Now the value of answer is 4, value of I is 1, answer plus lst1 is equal to 10. Now is this condition is satisfying? 4 plus 6 is less than k. The value of k is 10. Is this value is less than 10? No, this value is equal to 10. Therefore it will come into the elif part and it will break this loop and the value of I plus 1 becomes 2. Therefore it will print 2. Suppose my value of k becomes 14. After the value of answer becomes 4, it will come to if part. Value of answer variable is 4. The value of I is 1. Answer plus lst1 is equal to 10, which is less than k. Therefore my answer variable will become 10. Now it will again come to this part. Now my value of answer is 10, value of I is 2 and answer plus lst2 is equal to 17, which is greater than k. Therefore it will come to the else part. Now it will check this if part. If answer plus math.ceil, let me copy this whole thing, math.ceil lst2 is 7, it is equal to 3.5, and if I will put the smallest integer function there, 3.5 will become 4. Therefore this value will become 14. So 14 is less than equal to 14. Therefore, it will pass, and here it will break this loop and come to this part. Now what's the value of I here? 2, and 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay, so there's the control flow of this program. Now let's submit. Okay guys, if you love this video, please like, share and subscribe. Okay, bye bye.